Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube banner from your phone. So let's start. First open the YouTube app and go to your channel. Here you will see that you are not able to change your YouTube banner from the YouTube app anymore. So you have to use a browser. So let's close the YouTube app and open a browser. And go to youtube.com. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to your channel. Now tap on Customize Channel and YouTube Studio will open in a new window. Here go to Branding and you'll see your YouTube banner here. Now tap Upload to upload your YouTube banner, but make sure to download your YouTube banner on your phone. Now I'll just select my YouTube banner. And it takes a few moments to upload your YouTube banner. Now go back to your channel and refresh the page. Maybe I have to upload it again. I forgot to publish my change. Okay. So now let's go back to the channel and refresh it. And when the page loads, you'll see your YouTube banner here. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.